Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor, and I got a question to ask. Is your stock that you're buying in an uptrend? Well, that's a great question, and here at VectorVest, we give you discernible information about if it really is or not. We have an indicator called RT, or relative timing. Relative timing is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movement, and we look at 4 different time periods: day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter, and year over year. This indicator is cast on a scale between 0 and 2. Above 1, your stock's in an uptrend. The further above 1 it is, the faster in an uptrend it is. When it starts to dissipate is when RT starts to fall back towards the value of 1. So we looked at the app and we see that Clearfield is our top RT stock in the database right now. What does that mean? The stock over the last 6 months is moving from the bottom left to the top right. It's moving up. We want you to buy rising stocks in rising markets. RT will give you that discernible information of if the stock is rising. We have an indicator and we look at it from a scaling between red and green, and you'll notice that right now, Clearfield's RT is in the green, smooth sailing. It's okay to buy the stock right now. Folks, before you go buy into any stock, you want to make sure that it's moving up and moving up with the market. Hey folks, if you like this video, let us know in the comments how you feel about it. It helps to support our channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.